What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Turn Them Wheels. I want to show y'all what all I had to do to fix the P219A code. It's the fuel air ratio imbalance. It was actually the injectors on bank 1, or actually just one of them. It was number 7 in the back on the firewall. So what all's involved is what you have to do. Take off this hose clamp. It's either 8mm or 5/16. Unplug your mass airflow. You push back this little clip, push down on here, that'll release. Disconnect your throttle body right here, 5/16 or 8mm. Take this piece off right here. It just goes up. Let's see. There we go. Get that out of the way. And then from there, what you want to do, take off this 10mm bolt. Two 10mm sockets right here. The one on the back, use a wrench that holds down your harness. This PCV dirty air at the back of the valve cover, it has like a little spring. You want to take that off. I accidentally broke mine. Had to get a new one. Take off the clean air side. It's just this piece right here. Take off the rest of this air assembly. Let's see. And then these little connectors back there, that's for your injectors. So what you want to do, push up on the gray piece and then push down on the connector and it'll release. It's pretty much the same as the mass airflow. Take those off, and then you want to do, there's 2 bolts on the fuel rail for the there are 8mm bolts that come off on the fuel rail, 2 on that side, 2 on this side, and then you got the same thing, 4 injector connectors. Take those off. Disconnect your alternator, the little piece right here, the purge valve, disconnect that side, and then for this side you just swing it out of the way, and then from there you pull out the fuel rail. If you want to get the little piece remover, fuel line disconnect, I believe it's a 5/8 on mine. I didn't remove it. What I did is I had my buddy help me, and we just held up the fuel rail. We pulled out the injectors. Make sure the O-rings are black and blue, one on each side. I mean the top and bottom, sorry. Take those off. Make sure the O-rings, they come out, they don't get stuck inside. Pull out your injectors, pop the new ones in, put everything into place, push it back down, and then from there you should be good. Just reverse order, put everything back to order. Also remove your map sensor. You just got to unplug it. You don't have to take out the whole thing. And then I think that's pretty much it. It really wasn't that much work. There was another video, fellow YouTuber DIY Willie. I pretty much copied his video because I had never done injectors before, but his video really helped me, so I just wanted to let y'all guys know. Also, you're going to pull your fuel pump control module, or FSCM. I think that's what they call it on here. You got to pull that fuse. It's like a 25 amp. Let all the fuel out. Press down on the Schrader valve. There's a Schrader valve on the fuel rail. Depressurize that. Let's see. Yeah, I think that pretty much covers everything. So I would recommend the AC Delco ones. I used the Rock Auto. They had a 5% discount code. Also, I cleaned the throttle body. Make sure you have a scan tool. I used the XTool D8 to reset that. That's what I would highly recommend, guys. But thanks for watching. This cleared up my code, and now I can get it inspected.